Hi guys, this is the second video for my Thrifty Thursday, and I ran out of time in my first one where, I just ran out of time on my camera. So anyway, welcome back to my second Thrifty Thursday video today, where I'm going to finish going through these books for you. If you didn't see the first one, it's the one just before this video where I am going through some little golden books that I have all in one listing. And you can pick and choose if you want any of them from the drop down. I have the name with the copyright if it has a copyright. And the only reason I would not have a copyright is because sometimes, more recently, I'm trying to think of when they started doing it, maybe 80s, 70s, 80s, after that, little golden books sometimes, not most of the time, but once in a great while, they'll do a reprinting and they won't put a new date. So they have the old dates like 1951, 1945, whatever, but it has a barcode and it's new. So in that case, if they don't have the new date, at least a reprinting date, then I don't put a date because I don't want to put 1945 when it's a 1985 book, you know what I mean? So I just don't put a date. So if you don't see a copyright, that is why. But let's get started with this stack. It's just a little stack here that I have left, so it won't take very long, but in case you want one of these, you might want to watch so you can see what kind of condition. I'm just flipping through so you can see why they're only $2.50, So like this one, Pokey Little Puppy. It's been around for a good while, it looks like. It was only 39 cents, it says right here. And you can see the wear. This one's shiny too. It's shinier than the others. That's weird. But anyway, super cute. It's a classic Pokey Little Puppy. Here's the back. So this one does not have a barcode on it either. And it has this pretty little older back on it. Super cute. And so, it is the normal wear and tear, I would say, for its age. This one is the most recent. I'm just going to tell you because this is an older one, 1969. And so a lot of them that I have are 70s, 80s, and younger, 90s. Like that. So this is a super cute little older Pokey Little Puppy. Oh, there's no, I don't know if there ever was, but there's no, look at that, plain cardboard. So maybe it was originally like that, I don't know, but that's how it is now. Isn't that different? Okay, that is different. I don't know. All I know is that's how it is now. Okay, so Ernie's work of art. And there's Ernie. You see the normal, what I call normal wear and tear. Sometimes the edges are worn, the corners are worn, the golden seal is faded, and this one's coming up a little, but you can always try to glue that back down if you get one of these or if you have one in your own collection. And the golden seal is coming up. I just put a little bit of art glitter glue under there. Glue it back down, You can clean these up. You can wipe them down carefully with a baby wipe. Don't get it too wet because you'll maybe take some of the color or even the paper off of there, but I have wiped them down carefully with the baby wipe. So this one, no name here, no writing inside, super pretty with all the colors. The Sesame Street, I noticed, and the Winnie the Pooh books have beautiful colors in them, like beautiful bright colors. So the Fox and the Hound, Hide and Seek. This one looks like a newer one. Very good shape. Just a little wear up here, and that's why I put it in the $2.50. If this is worn up here, like this right here, see how it's a little bit lighter in the corners worn? That's why I put it in the $2.50 instead of the $5 listing. Oh, and there's a little like crayon mark. Some names. So that's all reasons that I put something into the $2.50. Just, maybe it otherwise looks brand new, but it just has a couple little blemishes here and there. This has some nice bright colors too, and no writing or tears except for what I showed you that I can see. I mean, I'm human. I could have missed something, so don't hold it against me if I miss something, but I do the best I can. Barcode, normal wear and tear, normal wear and tear in the back. Not really anything to speak of there. The Christmas Story, and no name here. And there you go, no writing or tears. Same with the copyright. I do the best I can, with the time I have and listing things. And, if some, You know, I think I got them all right, but if I ever get one wrong, please don't hold that against me, because I just do the best I can here with the time I have at each day to work on my Etsy shop. So, and I do have 2 Etsy shops. They're always listed under my videos. I have a t-shirt shop too, if you're looking for a gift. I always forget to mention it, but it is listed below or linked. So this one is the Golden Book of Hymns, and this is a very pretty book. This has some writing here very neatly, but there is some writing there, and the pages are starting to brown here a little bit, but look how pretty this is. Very pretty with the songs and the music and the pictures. It's very, very nice. So that's a nice one. This one has a big sticker from the store on the front. I see there, $3.50. Scuffy. Otherwise, it would have been probably in the $5 listing, but it had that big old sticker there. But that could possibly be removed with Goo Gone. I'm not going to try to remove it because I just, trying to save myself a little time. But there's the barcode. Otherwise, no name here. See, the page is bent right there. I bent it. Let's see. I can't flip that way, it seems. But yeah, this looks like a brand new book otherwise. So if it didn't have that sticker, it would be in the $5 listing. Now this one looks brand new. This probably should have been in the $5 listing too. I don't know why I put it in here. Maybe there's a writing in here. Is there? No. I just made a boo-boo and put it in here. Well, that's okay. Now it's staying. I'm not changing it now. So, yeah, very nice. This is a cute little book, Butterfly Kisses. 101 Dalmatian Snow Puppies. No name or writing here. No tears. Wow. Why did I put that? Is there? No? Well, there's just barely a little bit of wear here. Maybe that's why I put it in the $2.50. This has a little price, 95 cents, written in blue ink. A little bit of something up there, like wear, whatever that is. Could be wiped down. This is a super cute one. I almost kept this one. I was like, no, Sherry, you have to sell some books. There's a really beautiful name written right there in purple. Very nice handwriting. So I don't see any wear and tear in here, writing or tears or anything, but isn't this the cutest? Look at these pictures. So cute. Look at that. I just thought this was adorable. The dinosaur. You don't see the dinosaur. I don't think I've seen any other little dinosaur stories. Theodore Mouse Goes to Sea. This looks like it could be wiped down a little bit. Otherwise, normal wear and tear. The golden seal is... Oh, this has got a big separation here. Well, this is worn here. Let me show you. I didn't see this before. Before now. See this right here. This would be a great one to turn into a junk journal. It's separated right there. So if no one buys this, I will keep it and make it into a junk journal eventually. But there you go. But it's still worth $2.50. There's the back. But if nobody else thinks so, I will keep it for myself and take it apart. There's a little bit of ink or something there, like reddish. No name there. And this book always... I like this book a lot. I know I have another one too for my own self. I know I've kept one. And so, because I do want to make a journal out of this book. It's so cute. Theodore Mouse. I love that one. A Winnie the Pooh book, The Sweetest Christmas. Now this one looks almost brand new too. I guess it's got a little wear on it, but hardly any. Cute back. This is a sticker barcode. Here's the inside. Looks like new too. There's a printed barcode inside the front cover. That's different. And there's the pages. Nice, pretty, bright colors. The Train to Timbuktu got a sticker, a little bit of a sticker and some sticker residue there. That's a cute one. It probably could be wiped down. Back too. There's a little bit of a brown mark. I don't think that would probably not come off. Oh, yeah, Wendy at Wendy's Paper, was it Wendy's Paper Junk or something like that? She used a Mr. Clean, whatchamacallit, sponge thingy to wipe down some books. So that's a possibility too for wiping down books, baby wipes or the Mr. Clean eraser, whatever. That worked well in the book she was cleaning. She showed how she cleaned a book with that. And I did try it since then, and it does help a lot. So I would just be careful with the wetness. And the Mr. Clean, I have to be really careful with that one, because you know how that just takes everything, that cleans everything off of everything pretty much usually. So that one looks good on the inside. No tears or writing. There's a little bit of something right there, but very cute. The Snoring Monster. Oh, there's that name again. The girl with the Emily Hunter has very pretty handwriting. This is a cute one, Snoring Monster. I bet that's cute, about bedtime for kids. My Little Golden Word Book needs to be wiped down, but normal wear and tear. Yeah, that really needs to be. Oh, there's some. I don't know if this will come off. It might. Some of it might. It feels like it's raised a little bit, like there's something on there that can possibly be washed off. All those brown spots. They go all the way up the side. It doesn't look like mildew. It looks like something else. I don't know what. Because, you know, I didn't do it. Oh, Emily Hunter did it. It's her name in there. No, Cassie Gilligully might have done it. This is a cute one. Now look at the little sand beach pail there. It looks like a metal one. And these are cute pages. So nice for whatever somebody might want to do it with it. Reading, ephemera, junk journal. The Little Red Caboose. Nice. Looks good. Normal wear and tear. No name and no writing in here. Very nice and colorful. Best Friends. There's a sticker residue there. This is cute. Look at that. Best Friends. Nice. Could be wiped down. There's a name. Ashley Stacy. It's funny. Jack and the Beanstalk. Who doesn't love that story, right? This definitely needs to be wiped down. I see dirt on there. But, yep, the back it looks like normal wear and tear, really. Faded, you know, that I think that's normal. There's a name neatly written there. Nancy Cole. I used to know Nancy Cole a long time ago. She was an adult and I was a kid. She was somebody's mom. Nancy Cole. Makes you wonder, but that was in Florida. And I live in North Carolina now, so. Three Little Pigs. This is, oh, this one looks almost new. Another one I put in here that probably should have been a $5 one. No name. No writing. Oh, there's a hole right there. I wonder what that's from. Oh, there's a hole there. Somebody practicing their hole punching. There's a hole there. And there's a hole. Oh, there's a hole through all of these. You're like, how many pages does my hole punch go through? It goes through this many right here. Because they're all in the same spot, like, I think. Oh, they all have a hole. Nice. Somebody punched a hole. It's just a regular hole punch hole, though. See that right there? One in each. So I think it's still worth $2.50. Still very readable, or junk journal, you know, material if you wanted to make one. Lions Mixed Up Friends. This looks like a cute one. Look at that cover. I like that. Look at the alligator with the umbrella. The parasol, actually. And a tiger with a dress on. Lions Mixed Up Friends. Yeah, see how they're mixed up. I think they're humans. Pretty pictures. Wow. A lot of these stories, you know, I've read so many little golden books to my kids. It's like I'm always surprised that there's some that I haven't read. There's sticker residue right there, but this is in very good condition, really. Playing soccer. Playing volleyball with it. It looks like a soccer ball. That's funny. Mixed up. That's why they call it mixed up. So there was no name here. So very good on the inside. This one needs to be cleaned. Things in my house, but beautiful. Yellow, bright yellow, colorful cover there. This is coming off a little bit, but otherwise normal wear and tear, it looks like. Might be an older one, 1968. Does it have a barcode? It does have a barcode. See, that's what I'm talking about. This should be like the 1970s or younger. Does it have another date? I put it in the listing if I found one, or maybe I put 1968, but I don't know. I might not have. There's a name there, but it has a barcode, so it's got to be younger than 1968. Anyway, cute, really cute little pages here. Awesome. Another Pokey Little Puppy. And this one was, okay, see the cover? Looks good. Except for right here. Well, I mean, normal wear and tear, except for right here. I wouldn't call this normal. And so, yeah. I distinguished between a little, I don't remember what I put. I distinguished it so that I could tell. I guess I put the date maybe. Yeah, this one has a Roman numeral, so I made sure I put the date on here. Looks like 1997. So if you see the 1990, let me make sure. 97. Yeah, it looks like 1997. So if you see a Pokey Little Puppy with 1997, you know it's this one with the and that can be glued back down, but part of it's missing, so you would still have that white part there on this. And if you wanted to make it into a junk journal, you could always put something there, little piece of fabric or collage, something cute, you know. The Sailor Dog. Again, I think I have another one of these. The other one I think was more worn. There's some sticker residue right there. The spine here is worn, very worn. Or, you know, see there's part of it is, it can be pushed back together there and glued down with some art glitter glue. Stick it in there and push it back together, hold it together, put a binder clip on there until it, don't glue your binder clip on there, but you could probably put some glue in there and glue that back down together a little bit, but still it's going to be missing. Let's see. I mean, it would look pretty good after gluing that, you know, almost perfect, but not perfect because it's torn a little bit there. But anyway, you get the point. So that is it. That is it for this listing. I'm going to have another new $5 listing hopefully soon, so I'll go through that one with you later. But keep an eye on my shop if you like little golden books, because sometimes I'll go ahead and list whatever, like the little golden books for $5, the new ones that I'm putting in my shop. I'll go ahead and list them and then do the video when I have time. So like that's what I did with that. These are already in there, all these that I've done today. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed both videos, and I will really appreciate if you watch both videos. So thank you and so much, and everyone have an awesome day. See you next time. Happy thrifting.